Hello there and welcome to Graphics Mob. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the recent files in Adobe Illustrator. What you're going to need to do is to go to Edit in the top bar, go down to Preferences. Under Preferences you will see File Handling and Clipboard. Click that and you will see under Files the number of recent files to display 0 to 30. The default is usually 20, mine is set to 5. You can set it to 0 to remove them completely and click OK. Once you close Illustrator and open it up again, the recent files won't pop up, and I'll do that to demonstrate. It has a new interface where you will see new file formats to open. To change the interface completely, you can go to Edit, go to Preferences, General. Under Preferences you will see these checkboxes. They show the home screen when no documents are open and use Legacy File New Interface. You can switch off Show the Home Screen so that when you are on Illustrator and there's no files that are open, it won't show the home screen, it will show this blank page on the interface that you use to edit your documents. And that's it. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. You may also like and subscribe to support this channel, and for more helpful resources and future freebies, you can find the link in the description to our website. Thanks for watching, have a great day, you absolute legend.